Are you sure it's not in the picture?
Yeah. Hey, it's Nikki. It's our second video blog. Mwaha. Mwahahaha. Anyways, not many of you watched our last one. You assholes! That's okay. No. I'll forgive you eventually. After I beat you with sausages in your sleep. So yeah, life's pretty good right now. Mr. Brown, you know, we hung out a few weeks ago. Not too bad, except Mr. Brown's in college now. And we all know what Mr. Brown's gonna be doing. Missy, stop playing with the camera. Anyways, Missy, you know that's, I mean, Alex, whatever you want to call yourself. That's not pointing at my face. That's kind of towards my butt. Okay. Yeah, so right now I'm at the picnic of a good family friend.
Italiano.
She's Italian. There's this really hot Italian guy here right now, actually.
Where is he?
Like I don't know where he is.
Let's go.
Right
We're going.
No, we're not. No!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
No.
Stop.
We'll go up to the guy.
No.
We'll go up to the guy.
No. But he's Italian and he's so cute.
Let's
Foreign
make him
boys
be in the
are
video.
amazing.
Let's go.
Missy, stop. Not funny.
Leave my hand alone. Are you
Anyways,
okay, my friend?
No, I'm not okay. I'm crazy.
Yeah.
I'm crazy. Yeah. Oh my God. School starts this week. I have orientation tomorrow. Oh, and get this part. I'm gonna be girly this year. I got all these like old Navy sweaters and shit like that. No one likes Old Navy.
I can't touch
Some
my
cheap
nose.
stuff, man. But you know what? That's okay. I'll blend in.
Can you touch your nose
senior
with your
year.
tongue?
I can try.
I can't do it.
No, there's still like an inch.
Nope, it's not working either.
Man, I think I got farther than you did. I can touch the bottom of my chin though. Mine's better. See?
No.
Okay. Yeah, let's see what issues Alex has for the day. What issues do you have, good lady?
What did you call me?
I was gonna say it's a habit. Is that your crotch?
Oh my God.
I guess she doesn't have much to say. Yeah. So, is there anything at all?
Nope. Meeting with the army guys on Wednesday.
Oh. Yeah. She's going into the army,
I'm gonna shoot
ladies
some
and
Nazis,
gentlemen.
man. Shoot them
Oh,
Nazis.
super excited. Guess what I'm doing Labor Day weekend?
Shooting some Nazis.
I'm in Miami trick. Yeah, seriously.
Some people off. You're offending them.
Anyways, I guess that's it for now, and we'll have a lot better one next time. Why is her vagina behind my head? Yeah. Yeah, peace.